In this example, we're going to use the Geometric Shapes Ellipse tool to draw a circle. Click the Rectangle tool and hold down the left mouse key to show the flyout. Select Ellipse tool. Like the Rectangle tool, just click and drag a circle onto the screen. The lock and the size keys function the same way as they do for the rectangle. You can input the size. If you prefer to use inches, just click the inch ruler. And if you want a perfect circle, click the lock. The Enable Hole will enable a fill or a border, and the border size control determines the width of the border stitch. Build stitches, and we have a filled circle. We can change the appearance of this when we click the border or the type of stitching. In addition, the Ellipse tool has different filling methods. We have sector mode, ellipse mode, or arc mode. The ellipse mode is the normal mode that you're used to seeing, where we can create these types of shapes. If we want to open this shape up, we have two options. Sector mode. We can click and drag the start and end points to stitch the sectors. If we're using the filling method, and no hole, this becomes more apparent. The arc mode will draw a connector between the first and last points and will allow a straight fill. And this is the basic operation of the Ellipse tool.